Hey friends, we are here to do a little side hustle stuffing. Oh, I'm super excited. If you hear a bird tweeting in the background, that is the TV in my daughter's room, and I have the baby monitor on. It's like a channel on YouTube TV called the Zen channel, and we've been putting that on at night for her because all of a sudden she started to not want to sleep with her light off. It was weird. It was just one day. She didn't want to have her light off. So my husband found that channel, and all it is a scene with grass and a little bunny and birds tweeting, and then it changes to like a little chick, and then it changes to flowers, and that's basically it. But if you hear that, that's what that is. Hi, how are you? Let's get down to business because I need to try to hurry up and film this before she gets up. Okay, so Etsy. This is my payout from Etsy from the past month. So the payment was $334. Thank you so much to all of you who are supporting my shop. I am so grateful for you. Obviously the stuffing would not be happening without you, so just a huge thank you to you. We're going to put $150 of it to taxes and then $184 of it to my Skellie Savings Challenge book, which is eventually going towards debt. So let's do taxes first. And as I said, we're going to do $150. I think this video should probably be pretty quick. So yeah, I already have the cash broken out here. It is all prop money because it's just getting transferred right over to savings. No need to take out any real cash or anything like that from the bank. So let's see, today is May 8th. So happy May. Can you even believe that it is May? Because I can't. All right, let's add the 150 and see where we're at here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 54, 50, 450, 60, 75, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89. 489 in here. I do need to get to 840 by, I think, June 15th. So that's just about a month. I don't know if I'm going to make that, you guys. That's a lot more money than I need. 489. I feel like I need to take 50 more. Honestly, I do, because yeah, I don't know if I'm going to make that because I only get Etsy payouts once a month now. And that would basically be one more payout before this is due, and the payout, like, unless the payout's like $500, you know, I'm not going to make that. So let's see. I think that should bring us to 539. 1, 2, 3, 54, 55, 10, 25, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. Yeah, 539. I feel a little bit better about that, but I still need to hustle. I might need to end up putting some of my own money in there. When I believe I am getting a YouTube paycheck this month, so I could bump it up from that, but that's still not going to be enough. I don't know. I have to figure that out. But anyway, okay, so now we're only going to put 120, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 134 to the Skellie book. So let's grab that out. And this book is from Danny over at Craftco Budgets. And we are just going to put the 134 on the calculator and continue right where we left off, which is right here on this puzzle page. And I'm not going to finish this page. I don't think. Should I? Should I just do as much as I can? Maybe I should. That'll probably be most of the money. But yeah, I don't know, because this page is kind of hard to scratch. So let's finish this puzzle for $8, $10, $12, $13, $14 for this puzzle here. These printable scratch offs are a little bit harder to scratch for whatever reason. I think it's just like the material they're made of. They probably made to be that way to be printable and to stay nice after you print them, I'm thinking. So that's literally the only reason I don't want to do this whole thing, because it might kill my hand. But we'll at least get this one finished and then maybe do a little bit more. And then, yeah, we can do some of the other challenges in this book as well. We are nearing the end in this book, but we might have quite a ways to go yet. Who knows? All right, and let's do these two 4s, because they are, 4 is the biggest number I have left on here. So let's do these two 4s, and then we'll call that done for now. So that's another $8. Okay, so we're good to go there. You could see the two pictures that were revealed. I think when I did this the last time when I stuffed this, I forgot to subtract $6, but that's okay. And I'm not going to do it now because, yeah, I want to save that $6. So if it's off a little bit, it's fine. Okay, maybe I should, because I was keeping track in the front. But no, I'm not going to. All right, so skellie run. This says roll a die of your choosing and move the amount of spaces. Save what you land on. If you land on a spin, you spin the wheel. I do have the wheel up there. I will grab it if I need it. So I think we left off here at the 2. 1, 2, 3. That's $3. We'll see if we could get all the way around maybe. This one you can kind of do like as much as you want, or I don't know, there is a finish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Buy a drink, add $1. Add $1 to what? I guess just $1. Okay. Let's see, 3. Oh, 2 times a die roll. No, I don't wanna. Let's cheat and do the 1 through 3 die. Oh, 1, so that's another $2. Nice. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, so that's $4. Let me actually write 2 here so I know, so I could count the amount that I saved. 1 is another $1. Can't believe we haven't landed on any spins yet. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is another $1. And we're just going to finish this out, just going around the board one time. Because again, we are trying to finish this book. Another $1 there. And 4. So I guess we'll just color that in and be done with it. Okay, so we're done with that one. Let's move on. Let's do some roll and saves. I have $99 left. Let me know how you are. I think this video is going to air on the weekend. So happy weekend. I need a marker. I need a marker. Let's go with this one. Let's see if we could get 2 rows done. 4, you know what I need to do? I need to just be rolling 2 dice so it doesn't take as long. Okay, ugh, a 6 and a 4. Ugh, 6 and a 6, no! 2 and a 3. And a 1 and a 1, okay. So minus 1, 4, 6, 4, 6, 6, 2, 3, 1, and 1. Down to $65. I could just finish this, but I guess I'll just leave it and finish that at some point. This coloring page I am going to skip. let's finish out this page, I guess, if we can. 2, 7, 1, 8 and 1, so that's 9. 9 and 7. 4, 2, and 5. Okay, we're down to 19 bucks. And let's move on and let's do the big scratch off. I think there was one in here that was a lot of money. This one, 130. So let's do a couple on here. Well, that's a 10. So let's hope this is a 9 or below. A 3. Okay, I feel like we have $6 left. I feel like I need to go elsewhere, so that way I don't have an IOU. Here, these amounts are 1 to 5. 3. What are the chances we get a 3? Is there anywhere else I can go that has a set dollar amount in here? Let's see. I don't think so, unless I color on this page. Oh no, $5 skull, so that won't work. Okay, well, let's go back to that puzzle page. Maybe I have a 3 there. Perfect. Okay. Let's just scratch off this 3 and then we will be finished. We'll put the money in and we'll count it up and then I will let you go. Okay. All right, so we're finished with the book for today. Let's put our paperclip back on this puzzle page. We are winding down though. We're getting down to it and I'm super excited. So let's close this up. Let me grab the binder and I will put the money in and we'll see where we're at. This book saves 1,000 plus and I know, where am I going? That I am already at about 1,100, which is amazing. So let's see what this is gonna bring us to today. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 56, 57, 50. I should really condense this. 750, 20, 40, 60, 80, 120, 40, 140, 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40, 60, 80, 92, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 65, 75, 85, 90, 90, 5, 10, 15, 25, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50, 51, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 59. Okay, 1239. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. And I guarantee we have at least another 100 to go. So this is gonna save, this might be close to 1,500 bucks when I'm done, you guys. Whoa. I did decide, I think I am gonna do the $5,000 challenge after that. So once this is done, I'm gonna stuff it all into here. It's gonna give me a big head start. And if this becomes too overwhelming and I decide I can't do it, I'll just stop it and take the money, and that's fine. And I can do that because it's my money and it's my challenge. So this will be next after we finish the Skelly book. But for now, that is it for this one. Thank you so much for sticking with me, for watching till the end. I am so grateful that you are here. I love you guys so, so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.